I'm peeling. I'm peeling, I told you.
What? It saw me.
They saw you?
Yeah.
Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
We're peeling jackfruit right now. Jackfruit, pulled pork.
Good.
You're supposed to do it with me. Show them your fun buns. Show them your fun buns.
I see it.
See, it's so sticky.
Welcome
Get your face out of the camera.
Welcome back to our channel. How are you gonna do it? Sticky fruit.
No, it's jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit. This is the jackfruit.
You gotta hold it back. So we're taking all the yellow parts out. It's super sticky.
Yeah, these are our jackfruits.
Put it back a little bit, Ray.
These are our jackfruits.
It's really hard.
These fruits are dirty because
They're peeling it.
we're peeling it and it's dirty. This is all dirty. This is so
It's not
much
dirty. It's just we're getting
dirty?
stuff on it because we're peeling it.
And these are called
Jackfruit.
jackfruit. And it's really good.
We're making a barbecue jackfruit because the jackfruit's not as like sweet. I mean, it's sweet, but
Yeah,
I've been wanting to make it. And the Asian store I have go to don't have like just regular jackfruit like this, so I just thought we make barbecue ones out of it. Hopefully, it turns out good. Stop name dropping.
Okay.
No names. No names.
Just that.
Yeah. Oops.
Ew.
Threw the seed in there.
Yeah.
This one's really pretty. Look at that.
And then
And then what?
I gonna playhouse, gonna dream house, and that's it. There's a seed in here, so I gotta break it apart. I gotta break it apart.
We're actually gonna go swimming.
Is these
Jackfruit.
They're called jackfruit, and I keep saying it wrong. And take these off.
That's not a plot very much to play. No, I haven't seen playing games. Let's go pick this up.
And twist it and break it. But it's all sticky. Teamwork. 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 Whoa.
Yeah, you want it.
Jackie.
Hell's up with these fruits.
Oh, sorry.
Oh heck.
Oh my. Oh my. It's
Took us about 20 minutes, maybe
Yeah.
a little bit longer to peel this.
I want to do it. That's a lot. Are we gonna fit this?
Here, take the seed out.
Okay. I love taking seeds out.
So this is our jackfruit. Oh,
Yeah. And she broke.
This is the mess here. So I have a little bit of jackfruit left, so I'm gonna try to make the vegan pulled pork. So I'm gonna use this, and so I buy my garlics like this. It's so much easier. Well, there's like a bunch of them in here, but I have these left. So I have some garlic and onions in here. I'm just gonna stir this up real quick. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in it because just so it can cook. My garlic and onions in there, added my jackfruit. I'm gonna lower the heat to like low. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, just a little bit. Oh, that's a lot. I'm gonna add some paprika.
What's the taco one, remember? What? If you take down a little bit
I want to see if it's going to taste good. That's what I want. To see if you can actually make pulled pork out of this. And I'm going to add some barbecue sauce in here. Add a little bit more broth. I better use this broth. Let's cook this down. We're going to cook this down. Add a little bit. I'm going to stir this. You're full? Well, go brush your teeth. Brush your long time, okay? I'm getting this, I think it's Henry Harvest loaf of bread. It's multigrain. It smelled so good, so I just ended up getting it. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells amazing. Set my oven to 350. It's still warming up. I'm gonna add more barbecue sauce because I'm trying to trick my husband. And this still smells like jackfruit. So, like, no, that can't happen. So, I'm gonna get more barbecue sauce. Sorry, I'm shaking this. So, that's why it's like going crazy. I'm gonna grab another barbecue sauce. It's probably not gonna for about 20 minutes and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't look too much like jackfruit and smell too much like jackfruit. This is actually fresh jackfruit, so we'll see what happens. Alright, I'm gonna try this. It looks so good. So I just finished with the barbecue pulled pork, and this is how it looks. I know the lighting probably sucks right now, but I just thought I'd try this with you guys. It's like super late, but I wanted to try this with you guys. Like, I'm nervous. I don't think my husband will be tricked. It's really barbecue-ish, but it's good. I wouldn't say it tastes so much like pulled pork. But honestly, it's really good when you add the onion. It's not bad. It's not bad. But I wouldn't say it's like pulled pork. But if you're a vegan and you stop eating meat and you know you wanted a pulled pork sandwich, I guess it's not bad. It's actually kind of spicy. I've been wanting to try this for a very long time, but I wasn't able to find the jackfruit until my sister went to LA and actually got a really fresh one. So I'm glad I was able to try it. At least I know like how it tastes and if I'm missing out, and I don't feel like I am. I really wanted some kind of bread today, so that's why I'm eating it with this like multi-grain bread. I don't know, I just wanted some kind of like loaf of bread. Oh, that sounds weird, but I'm probably gonna make a sandwich out of this bread tomorrow. I might just eat this for eat it for work. Like, it's not bad. It's just really barbecue-ish. Like, I think I added too much barbecue. I don't know. But I think that's how pulled pork is. Like, it's a lot of barbecue sauce. You can still, the jackfruit flavor still comes out a little bit. So it's not like it's gone, you know? But it's pretty good if you're vegan and you want to try something that you feel like you're missing in your life since you stopped eating meat. Then go ahead and try it, because I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it. I actually love meat, so but I just wanted to try it because it looks so good, just so good. I forgot who made it, but I think I seen it on Pinterest or something and I wanted to make it. But trust me, I love meat, and this wasn't bad. I would eat it. If I went to like a vegan party, I would eat this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video. I do show you guys how to make it, so if you want to try out the recipe, I kind of just winged it. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye, loves. Bye.